In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade stocks on Mitrade app. Now, the first thing you have to do at the bottom, you want to tap on where it says trade. And then in here, as you can see up top, just below the search bar, you can see there's a bunch of different things. It says favorite, popular, Forex, commodities. And if you go through, you can see here, you can tap on shares. Now, shares are basically where you can find stocks. And of course, if you don't want to scroll down here, you could go to the top and just use the search bar to type in whatever you're looking for example, like Tesla or whatever you want to do. So I'm just going to hit cancel over here, and I'm actually going to select one from the list here, and we're going to do Amazon right now. Of course, you can go ahead and trade any stock you want. I'm just going to select this one for this tutorial. And then from here, you can basically see the chart of that specific stock. You can go left and right, see how it's doing, change the time frame up top, etc. And then at the bottom here, you can see strategy. You can see the data on that specific stock and stuff like that. Now, if you want to start trading it, at the bottom, you have the buy and sell buttons. So just tap on either buy or sell, and this is going to open up this buying box. Now, in here, you can buy or sell up top. So it doesn't matter which button you click on the previous page because, of course, it's going to allow you to switch in between up top over here as well. And then here, you can see you can select the order type. Now, right now, I'm on pending because the markets are closed, so I can only do pending orders. And what a pending order is basically, it's like a limit order, so you can select at what price you actually want to purchase something. So for me, I'm buying the Amazon stock right now in my demo account, as you can see, and the price is $239.34. And let's say I want to place a buy order, so the stock actually buys it for me, so it's going to buy the stock, that's what I mean, when the price hits $237.46. Now, of course, you can set this price to whatever you want it to be, like this, for example, completely up to you. You can change that if you wanna, whenever you are inside a pending order. Now, if you want to buy at just the current price, you can just tap on where it says pending and then switch over to market, and this will basically buy or sell at the latest price, which means the price you can see up top whenever you are buying or selling. Now, after this, you can see there's the quantity. So this is basically how much you want to buy in lots. So here you can just tap on the plus or minus button, and it's going to show you how much of that stock you're actually buying, okay? Now, here you can also select your leverage, and then you can select if you want to do take profits, stop losses, or maybe like trailing stops. That's completely up to you. You can do that if you wanna. And of course, after you've done that, you can just place limit order at the bottom or place a normal order, and that's it. So as you can see, right now I can't do it because it says like you've entered a lot size that is too large or too small. So if I go like this over here, there we go. It says I have to type in the size quantity before. So let's actually try 1.0. So if you get this error as well, you can see, there we go. Yeah, okay. So it's only allowing me to actually purchase 1, and I couldn't purchase 1.1 for some reason. So if that happens, just know that you basically have to change the amount you are actually buying or selling. Here, you could also tap on the sell button at the bottom, and again, it's the same thing. Select pending or market order, select the pending price or just the market price, the quantity you want to buy or sell, and then down here you can see the leverage, take profit, stop loss, trailing stop, place the order, and there we go. You can now see I have opened up 2 positions. I can pop them up, as you can see at the bottom, just above the buy and sell button, there's like the arrow. If I tap that up here, it's going to show me all the currently pending positions. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.